Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Blessing. If you are joining us for the very first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to draft a basic sleeve. Here are the basic measurements for this tutorial. If this sounds like what you want to learn, definitely keep on watching. So guys, here with my pattern, I have my pattern paper with me. So guys, I will just rule a line, a straight line there. That is what I normally do if I'm drafting my patterns. So I will rule a line like so. Then after ruling this line, I will just take my measurements. I will take the length of this sleeve, and that will be 11 inches for my normal length. Okay, then I will add 2 inches extra to this very sleeve for my hemming allowance. So making it 13 inches. Okay, I will just go ahead to rule this line up, the normal measurements, which is 11 inches. I will rule it straight line like so. Then I will rule the other one straight like so, and that will be the folding allowance. Okay, so guys, the next thing I will be doing here is, I will mark from that line down from there to 6 inches. Okay, I will mark from that line there and mark 6 inches there. Then I will just rule that mark. I will rule it as a straight line like so. So guys, after ruling, I will just go ahead to label the down parts as hemming parts. Okay, so guys, after that, on the center front, from the center front, I will mark 4 inches from the center front, just the way you see me doing. Then I will come over to that 6 inches that I marked. Then I will repeat that 4 inches as well. Then I will rule these two lines up. I will rule it together. So guys, this is how it looks like after ruling. So guys, the next thing I will be doing, I will just take my measurements. I will first of all take my round measurements, and that is 13 inches. So when you divide the 13 inches into 2, it will give you will have 6.5 inches. Then I will mark my 6.5 inches. Then I will add 1 inches for seam allowance. But if you want to line in this particular sleeve, add 1.5 inches to it. But if you are not lining, you can go ahead to add just 1 inches. So I will come over to the hem part and measure that part, that the hem part. I will measure that area round. I will measure it round, and what it gives me is 10 inches. Okay, then when I divide 10 inches by 2, I will have 5 inches. Then I will mark it there and add my 1 inch seam allowance as well. So let's leave that part for now and go over to the upper part. So for this part here, I will measure what, definitely this line here is 6 inches, but I will just go ahead to measure it so that I will be sure of what I am doing. So I will measure it is 6 inches. Then I will divide this 6 inches into 2 equal half like this. Then I will make a notch. There, and that will be the center in between this line here. So guys, the next thing I will be doing, I will just take my French cup and mark from that that center I mark. I will use a French cup to connect it to meet the center front. Okay, just look at me and see what I'm doing. I will use a French cuff to connect it like so. Then after that, I will use from that midpoint I marked. I will connect it to meet the round sleeve length, the round sleeve measurements that I marked. I will use the French cuff to create a line there to connect the two lines together from the round sleeve to that midpoint. So this is how it will be looking like after connecting. Okay, you can see that this part is shaped. Okay, so this particular sleeve pattern work for all sizes. Is a very details. It's work for all sizes. Okay, so guys, after that I will just come over to this part I mark. I will just go ahead to connect them together. Okay, I will use a straight ruler to connect it together like so. Then I will connect the seam allowance as well. So this is what we have after connecting. I will just go ahead to dedicate it as that part as seam allowance. Okay, so I will just extend this line to the hem part. So guys, this is basically what it will be looking like. So guys, this is how it looks like. So I will just go ahead to crochet this part here to know if I am on right track. Okay, so you can see that I am on right track. So this pattern work for all sizes like I said. Okay, so guys, after that I will just go ahead to cut out this pattern. So guys, after cutting, I will have something like this. As you can see how beautiful it is. By the time I open it up, you will see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. That part here is the same allowance that you will use to sew the two parts together. Okay, this is how it looks like. So this is the hemming part, like I said. So I will just go ahead to fold it so that we see how it looks like. Just fold it this way, like so. Then you can see how it looks like. Okay, this is the hemming part so that your lining will, or you can easily sew it. I don't know if you understand. So guys, that is it. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel. If you have not done that, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can see more of my videos, so that whenever I upload a video you will be notified. Okay, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your time. All right guys, so guys, see you in my next one.